When life knocks you down, channel your inner Goku and power up for an epic comeback. Just like Krillin, even the smallest warrior can make a big impact. Don't let life's challenges turn you into a Yamcha. Be a Vegeta and conquer them with sheer determination and pride. Embrace your flaws like Master Rocher embraces his love for beautiful ladies. Remember, even the mighty Frieza had to train and transform to reach his full potential. Find your own spirit bomb and unleash it upon your dreams. Nothing can stand in your way. Maintain a Piccolo-like coolness, because you're the guardian of your own destiny. Embrace your inner Gohan and tap into your hidden power. Let your potential shine like a Super Saiyan 2.